Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to do a heavy-duty headlight restoration. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. A headlight lens repair kit restores hazy headlight lenses. Things like moisture, sun damage, and deterioration can make it difficult for light to get from the bulb to the road in front of your vehicle. Headlight restoration is simple with a headlight lens kit and a few simple tools. Today, I'll be demonstrating the use of Meguiar's heavy-duty headlight restoration kit, which works on extremely foggy lenses, but other kits will be similar. Be sure to follow the instructions for the specific one you choose. And if you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Make sure the headlights are clean, cool, and dry, and find a shady spot to do the restoration. Remove any dirt, dust, or debris you see on or around the headlight using glass cleaner and a clean towel. Mask the edges around the lens using masking tape. This will protect paint and other surfaces around the headlight from the sanding process. Attach the 1000 grit finishing disc to the hand pad. Be sure to keep the finishing disc wet through this process by dunking it into a small container of water or spraying water directly onto the disc. Sand the headlight with smooth side-to-side motions that overlap, wetting the pad frequently for lubrication. Continue sanding until the headlight appears evenly frosted, then wipe the headlight dry with a microfiber towel. Now, remove the 1000 grit finishing disc and attach the 3000 grit finishing disc to the hand pad. Again, keep the pad wet throughout the process of sanding for lubrication. Sand the headlight thoroughly, this time in smooth up and down motions that overlap. Once you're done sanding the whole surface, dry the headlight with a microfiber towel. Attach the Meguiar's yellow polishing pad to your drill. Apply a nickel-sized amount of Meguiar's Plastex polish to the pad. After placing the pad flat against the headlight, adjust it to a slight angle for better control before activating the drill. Use slow back and forth overlapping motions to treat a small area at a time. Heavy pressure is not required. Do not use the edge of the pad. A faster drill speed will allow greater cutting and polishing action, but could make it more difficult to keep the pad relatively flat against the surface, so alter drill speed as needed. Wipe off the polish with a microfiber towel before it has the chance to dry, and reapply as needed, continuing to buff until the headlight is clear. For a final buff, apply and remove the Plastex polish with a microfiber towel. Clean the restored headlight with glass cleaner again to remove all possible product residue. Then wipe it clean and dry with a microfiber towel. Double check to make sure the headlight surface is completely dry. Apply the final coating to the gray applicator pad. Then use the pad to apply the coating evenly from top to bottom. Continue working your way across the headlight with overlapping strokes until the whole lens has been treated. Once this process is complete, don't forget to remove the tape. The coating will dry to the touch in 15 minutes and will cure fully in 24 hours. It's recommended to keep the headlight clean and dry until the coating has the chance to cure. Repeat this process on the other side. And that's it. You can find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.